You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this perfume fragrance? Eau de toilette by French brand Givenchy. To learn more names from French beauty, cosmetics, fashion, luxury, definitely stay tuned. Amarige. Givenchy. Amarige is how it's said in French. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can always say it as Amarige. Amarige. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.